Hello guys, today we are going to check how we can configure and install and configure WordPress on AWS EC2 instance. It is a very common problem developers are facing, but it's very easy solution or AWS has been provided. So let's first check how you can do this. So first you need to create AWS account. Okay, so you need to go to aws.amazon.com and you need to create your account. It's very simple. Okay, I have already my account, so I will just directly log in there, right? And once you created your account and once you log in there, then you will see this screen. Okay, now you can see here there are shortcuts of the services. You can see here, right? You can select from here also, and you can directly go here in the services and you can write here, search here the services EC2. So what is happening, whenever you are going to publish your WordPress on AWS, it is only possible on EC2 instance, because it will create a new instance, and in that instance you can install your PHP, MySQL and other related services. But so let's start. We need to first check where EC2 instance exists, right? And then after search we will click there, and then we just going into the EC2 management console. Okay, now you can see here we have this screen comes in. Okay, now here you can check, click on the instances, or you can click for the shortcut, you can click on the running instances also. So let's first check how much instances I have already working. So you can see I have two instances running, right? First is Trickio and another is also Trickio, and first is stopped and another is running, right? So either your EC2 instance can be stopped, running or terminated. Okay, so currently you can see one of my instances running currently, right? So now I will teach you how we can create a new instance. So you just need to create a launch instance. Okay, and then you can see it will show us different options to create AMI with the instance. Okay, these are all the Amazon machine image. So these are default AMIs provided by Amazon. Okay, and but for our WordPress you have two ways. You can do with the Ubuntu also, and you can do with AWS Marketplace with the Bitnami also. I would suggest you to go with Bitnami because it will provide you easy access and it is very easy to install. If you will go with the Ubuntu, then you need to install yourself MySQL and set these old services by your hand, and it would need a lot of time, right? So first let's do with AWS Marketplace. Now you can see here I have here a search option. You need to search here WordPress, and then you will find out here Bitnami provided WordPress here, right? These are different packages, right? So you can select according to you. Okay, I'm selecting very general purpose WordPress. Okay, so for our tutorial, so you can select this, right? I selected that. Now you can see I'm click on continue. It will be take you to selection of instance type, right? I am selecting very limited instance, and it will be with the size of 1 GB memory, right? And you can select according to your use more also, but I would suggest you, if you are going with very starting level of you are, then you just select very small size, so it will not charge you much, right? Now I just clicked and sorry now you can check here. See, now you can check here in the security group I have different type of securities. I am just going to continue. You can update them also, right? I am just clicking on the review and launch. Now when I will go to launch it, okay, it will ask me the SSH key, right? So SSH key you need to create, and then this SSH key will be used when you will trying to connect with your EC2 instance with command line or PUTTY or any other software. I would recommend PUTTY because I am also using PUTTY from a long time. It is very easy to use and it's very recommended software. So now you can see I am creating a new pair. You can also go with your existing key pairs and you can just see here your all existing pairs, right? So what I am doing here, I am just going there and I am creating a new pair, and this pair I am doing test WordPress. Okay, and then after you need to download this key pair. Okay, see I downloaded this, right, and this it will be created with the .pem file, so it is in the downloads folder, right? It is in the downloads folder. I just cut this and pasting this on the desktop, right? I just pasted in the desktop, so it will be used when we will use the PUTTY. Okay, and now we are going to launch the instance. So now our instance is launched. Right, our instance is launched now. Now as our instance is launched, now what you need to do, you need to first check that what is the status of this instance. So see, it is currently initializing. Let this initialize. After initializing, you can you can check the status here also. See, it is initializing here, right? See, it's running now, right, and it's initializing its status. So meanwhile I will let you know the information below. You can see, right, if I select this one, then the information will be different. If I select this and if I select this one, then the information will be for this instance in the below. Now you can see here, see, you will find here a ID, right? See, this one is the public IP and this is the private IP, right? So we will go with the public IP. Okay, but currently it is still initializing. Let them initialize. Now copy this IP. See, this is the IP, right? Currently this is the variable IP. It is not it is a static IP, but it is variable IP, because whenever you are again comes into, then again it will provide you new IP. So I will explain you about the IP later after few minutes. Now let's check here what will happen here. See, okay, currently it is initializing, that's why it will be not work currently. Let's initialize first. Now meanwhile let me tell you about these informations, right? See, here you can see the status checks, right? Monitoring, you can update your tags also from here, right? Like you have your tag added, you can change your tag from here. And also one more important point is that in the actions you will see instant state, right? You can terminate your instance. Terminate means your instance will be forever terminated, right? And it will not charge you. Then you can stop it, but stop is in the AWS, whenever you stopping any instance, it means is not stop. It will automatically again restart, right, after 24 hours or whatever time you are setting there. And terminate means it's permanently terminated. Then it will not charge you anytime. This instance and its properties and everything you stored on this instance will be terminated, right? Now see, it's still initializing. Let's try again. Yeah, see, now it's done. See, you can see here the status, right? It's done now. Now just copy this IP and paste it here. See, as you can see guys, it's very easy to add WordPress and just directly use it, right? Now you can, if you will write /admin, it will go to the admin, right? Now I need credential of this admin, so what I will do, I will just go there, and because I need password of that admin, right? So what I will do, I will go to instance settings, right? In the instance settings you need to go get system log, go in the system log and go down, go to down till the end, and when you will go little up, then you will see here, see here you have the username and you have the password. See, it is your password, right? And user is the username, so you can write here user and you can paste your password. See here, oh sorry, it is not your password. Okay, password is not copied, so right click here and copy this, and now we can paste here and log in. See, now I'm able to log in here, right? You can see now I'm in the admin. You can create post, you can edit post, anything you can do, right? If I will add a new post, then you can add from here, right? Hello post, right? And it's published. Now it's published, and when you will go to dashboard, sorry, now when you will again refresh this, you will see hello post, right? So like this you can configure. Now our first part is done, like we have configured WordPress, we have installed WordPress, we have checked how it is working, right? Now in my next video I will explain you how to use this WordPress that we have installed, and how to currently this IP you can see here, right? This IP is currently not final IP because it will change again. It is a variable IP. For example, if you will see, I will show you. If you will stop this, see, if you will stop this this instance, right? Now this is stopped, right? Now you will see, let them stop completely. It's stopping. It will take some time to stop it. And after stop it, what will happen? This public IP you can see here, right? This public IP will be gone, and because this IP is variable, it will change, because currently it is provided the temporary IP, right, to check, and AWS is providing the temporary IP. So what will happen, currently this IP is temporary, so after stopping this IP will be deleted, and when again we will start this, then again this IP will be changed. So what will happen, like you need a static IP that is called elastic IP. In the next video I will explain you how to create the elastic IP, and then this is elastic IP we need to connect with the DNS. So what will happen, with your DNS, with your domain name, you can connect this IP. So then you will be able to use your domain name to connect with your WordPress website, right? And if you have any confusion, any questions, you can write me in the comments also. It is taking a lot of time to stop it. uh, I think it's already stopped working. Let's check it is still working or not. See, it is rounding, it means that it's gone. Only it's not updated here, but it's stopped. See, now this IP is not working, right? Because your instance is off, your EC2 instance is off now, and then it will be, see, now you can see it is stopped, and you can see the public IP is gone, right? Now when you will again start this IP will be different, okay? And this is not a way you will use in real time scenario, because currently this was a temporary IP. So what we need to do, this IP address we need to assign to our domain name, and this new video I will create after this, and then you will understand how to create a elastic IP, and then how to connect this elastic IP to our domain name. Okay, so thank you guys. If you have anything confusion in your mind or any question, please write me in the comment box, and also please share this video.